So yeah, I did a test with the Fuel Aim X5 in the car for 5 seconds just to see if it had any interference with any type of electronics that you do, especially in today's cars. Yesteryear, it was all about those whatchamacallits, those alternators, distributed caps, and so forth, man. They would mess up with your, filters, the noise suppressors that they got. Had you ever had a microphone, that had RF signals and issues, and you thought it was the car and caused interference and all, and you'd say, it can't be the new mic, it can't be this, it can't be that. I'm not saying the Fuel Aim X5's got those issues. All I'm saying is, check out what you got with what you have, because you never know. And I found out that the DJI Action 3 is not user-friendly with that mic, and that mic may not be user-friendly with Action 3. I love those hot dog summer days, man. You hop in the shower and use that soap, man, and then you come out, and I got that chemical burn. I'm burning up. Should have never used soap. I should have just showered with water. I would have been really cooled off. Well, on that note, I'm going to go recharge you. I'm going to have a wonderful day. I'm going to hit the record button to stop this recording. And on that note, I'm Fish. See you later.